So I have about 7 feet of paracord. I've done a simple cow stitch at the bottom. I've come up through this top buckle here and I'm out the other side like that. Now I've got my microcord here, and what I'm going to do is find the ends. I've got about 6 feet each of this microcord, and what I'm going to do, get that left hand paracord over the 2 center strands like that. The right hand cord goes over the top, underneath everything, and out the other side like that. And then what I'm going to do is get this microcord and poke it down through the center of the bracelet like that, and leave a couple of inches out the end. And then I'm going to just tighten up like that. Okay, now this left hand cord, this was, I started with this left hand cord, so this is like the leading cord and this is the trailing cord. And what I'm going to do now is basically tie an overhand knot over this. So all I'm going to do is get that microcord, bring it underneath this black cord here, through this loop, pull it all out, and then slowly and carefully pull it up. Now you have to take your time on this. As you can see, the orange cord is on the inside, and I'm just pulling those 2 cords together so that they're next to each other like that. Now I'm going to do another Cobra weave, so cord over the top, underneath, out the other side, tie that Cobra weave up, and now the microcord. We're going to do exactly the same thing on the other side, so underneath everything, round, through that hole. Sorry if my fingers are getting in the way, and tighten it up, making sure that that green cord is on the inside of that orange one like that, and then pull them together. It is kind of fiddly trying to get it to look good, but there you go. So here's the lead cord. Do it again. Over the top, underneath, out the other side, put it together, get those those microcord, do an overhand knot or a half hitch, whatever you want to call it, underneath like that. And slowly and carefully put it together. Like that, and then you keep going all the way down till you get to the end. Right, so there you go, that is double microcord on a Cobra Weave bracelet. Came out not too bad for a first try. Now I'm pretty sure you can do it with stitching and use a needle and everything, and it might look better, but I thought I'd give it a try just to see what would happen. So yeah, if you like the video, as always, don't forget to subscribe, give us a like and leave a comment, and I shall see you in the next one.